Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side to this settings button to open the advanced camera settings. From here we have to slide a little bit down to the general settings category, and here at the third position we have the shooter sound. By using button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep this turned off. Let's move back to the camera, and now when I take another picture we can't hear the sound. Of course we can turn it on again as we need by going to the right corner, then to the left settings, sliding again to the general and using this button. So for now we can hear it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.